Right now we're here to check out the Mauna Loa Macadamia Nut Farm. Gonna go inside, see what they're gonna show us. Stay tuned, the journey continues. Seems like anytime we come to these factory tours, the factory for some reason is not facting. We can look inside and see the machinery not doing much. But we will go on a nature walk later. And this tree in front of us, you can see the fruit on it. It's called breadfruit tree. Cool looking. And that, my friends, is a breadfruit. There's a pineapple plant. For those of you that thought pineapples grew on trees, they don't. This is a Hawaiian spider lily. Look at these interesting flowers they grow. Pretty cool. Hibiscus. Bush, tree, plant. Nice, beautiful. Heliconia. Not quite sure how you pronounce it. Interesting. Starfruit tree. Up there. See some starfruits up there. Banana plants. I tried growing bananas once. Never got as big as this. Nice. This is called the noni tree. And it too has some fruit on it. Noni, I guess. Tea plant. Not like T-E-A, it's T-I. I think I grew one of these one time too. So the tall plants you see here are hapu'u. And these are red ginger. Red ginger. Nice close-up of the leaves here for Grandmama. This is a dwarf Hawaiian sienna. It has these weird like black pods on them. This bush, jasmine. Jasmine, not jasmine. These down here are called monarch ferns. It's pretty interesting. I'm not sure what these great red flowers are, what this plant is, but I really love it. I wish we could grow these kind of plants back home. As you know, they would never survive our winter, would they? And this was our nature walk here behind the macadamia factory. They have all these different assorted Hawaiian plants. It was pretty cool. The journey continues.